How's it going, guys? Today I want to do a little video on this cleanup job of my nephew's Xbox. His is a version 1, and I've already cleaned the bottom, and there's your CPU. This is with the fan. It's on the GPU, so, sets on there on the heat sink. You can imagine what the heat sink looked like. I hadn't cleaned these up yet. And the back fan ain't faring no better. But I went ahead and I'm gonna put some new thermal paste on here, clean the case all up, and was checking at the clock capacitor right here. This one looks to be in good shape, but this capacitor here, as you can see right here, is leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and replace both of these, and the rest of them look to be in great condition. They're nice and firm, no shaking, no discoloration, no leakage up underneath them. And it's been a pretty fun night. Got some. This one has the Philips drive in it, so it's a newer revision, and they have the Western Digital Protege hard drive. Also, found that this Foxlink board here, they got faulty parts on it. I looked up on let me see if I can get a better shot of it. I looked up underneath here, and I seen a little discoloration. I might desolder that and put another one in. But yeah, guys, that's what's going on here. A little bit of sweet tea. I'm working on a complete soundboard. And, getting the house ready for Thanksgiving. Watching this boy, he's got a 1.4 gigahertz CPU modded his Xbox. I might check that out after I finish watching the video, and see how that works out. It did. He did say that some of the games was the time and the clock speed on the CPU affects some of the gameplay, so I don't know about that, but some of the games run really smooth, and they loaded really smooth. Here's a setup in the living room right now. It's got a surround system together, getting ready for Turkey Day. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'll make another video after I finished putting these new caps in here, and putting new thermal compound, the GPU and CPU. Maybe I might do a little case mod on this for him. I'll do some lights and do a clear jewel with some lights under it for him. Light up the the ports. I've been seeing some pretty cool mods, and it's about time for me to throw one out there. Peace out, guys.